So, alright, another one without a intro or an outro. Well, maybe a little bit of an intro, but this one's pretty, what do the kids call it nowadays? Cringy, yeah, that's it. The kids call it cringy. So this one's pretty cringy. This is my first tournament on the Hobie Pro Angler 14, and I had a little bit of technical issues. I forgot my mounting pole for my well, actually the mounting base for the GoPro. So I had to stick the pole in one of the rod holders, and at some point it got turned around backwards, so I missed a couple of fish catches, recording a couple of fish catches for that, and the drive went a little bit crazy on me. But I was able to find somebody from the Strictly Sail kayak fishing team to help me out there. When I was editing the video, I stupidly told Adobe's Premiere AI to reduce the wind noise and enhance the voices so you could actually maybe hear me talk. And that didn't work out so well. Well, it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. But I appreciate y'all watching anyway, and give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share. You know, all the stuff the algorithms like. Here's hoping this is the an okay angle. CKF Rocky Fork, September. New kayak, 360. Drives funky. So I don't know what I'm going to do except for hobble around. See if I can find somebody that knows what's going on with it. Oh my gosh, stay on there. Oh, this is a good one. Boy, guys, 18 and a half. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the fish. All right, you're back. turn the power box on. The day's just going well. Fishing wise, yes. But equipment wise, no. Stay on there. Stay on there. Yeah, baby. Stay on there. Oh, I know what you are. You bass. You bass. Yep. Oh, it's a huge bass. It's a huge bass. Oh. Huge bass. Come here, baby. Oh, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Got turned around there. Oh, you missed a fish catch, I tell you. Oh, I'm so mad at myself for missing that mount this morning, but I think this will be good for it.